Hello, designers. When you start a gift basket or gift box business, your inventory area might end up looking like this. Aren't you frustrated even looking at what this looks like? When a customer calls and wants a gift, you now have to go through all of these items to find what that customer wants. And instead of making a gift basket in 5 to 7 minutes, it's taking you an hour because you can't find anything. And when you find what you need in that 60 minutes, then you have to wrap the gift. Well, now you're going to have to look through ribbon, which is in the same situation as that first picture. You can't find the ribbon, or when you find it, it's in a mess, it's in a tangle. It's going to take you 5 to 7 minutes to untangle the ribbon. I had customers, my clients, who have this problem, who love making gift baskets but find themselves in a tangle. So that making the gift baskets takes much more time than it ought to. And I've been able to share with them through Zoom or through other video conferencing how to put their area together properly so that everything is at arm's length. So you can have the great idea of starting a creative business, but if you don't have the means to put everything in order, you're going to have problems. You're going to be frustrated about the untidiness. It's time to put your supply area in order. Let me know in the comments if you're having a problem with this. My clients have gone from this problem to no problems because they can reach everything and find everything before it expires. This is Shirley Frazier wishing you baskets of success.